I was waiting for you to start the song. I am sick, by the way. Passed by your house last Sunday afternoon, thinking about the nights we'd spent sitting by the pool. As late August turned into September, you didn't seem to remember. Then October turned into November. By the middle of December, you were with someone new. Moonlight danced on the water. I wore my blue shirt 'cause you said it was your favorite color. Pulled me close and whispered sweet nothings. Couldn't tell, but I was blushing. Kissed me while our song was playing, innocently misbehaving. Do you think about it too? Do I ever cross your mind? I think about you all the time. And yeah, I'm glad you're happy, but I hate that it's without me. And when I hear that song, I always think of you. Do you think about me too? There are things that I remember while I walk down that road that we once walked together. How you looked at me those summer nights. You made me laugh when I would cry. You held my hand, looked in my eyes. I never thought we'd say goodbye. Now there's no forgetting you. Do I ever cross your mind? I think about you all the time. And yeah, I'm glad you're happy, but I hate that it's without me. And when I hear that song, I always think of you. Do you think about me too? When I keep driving down that street, I keep holding on desperately. Does it at least hurt sometimes meeting you? Even though I know that we're through, I still can't listen to that song without thinking of you. Do you think about me too? Do I ever cross your mind? I think about you all the time. And yeah, I'm glad you're happy, but I hate that it's without me. And when I hear that song, I always think of you. Do you think about